How to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on mobile device. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. You can see that I'm already logged into my Roblox account and here's the username. Now you can close this. Launch any of the preferred browser. Now type in Roblox login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on the very first one. Open it, roblox.com. With that, you will land to the login page. Now you have to fill this. Now go ahead and type in the credentials of the Roblox account that you want to use in your device. You can see that this is the another account. Once you fill this, click on login. And with that, you will be logged into your account. And here you can see that I have logged in with my another account. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on mobile device. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.